Today we're going to show you how to use your Thetford 3-way refrigerator here at Open Road Motorhomes. This refrigerator has a nice big freezer up the top and a big fridge section down the bottom to store all your goods. To turn our refrigerator on, we're going to hold the power button here till the blue light appears, and then we have our setting options here. Our first setting is our power source. So which option we're going to choose to power this refrigerator. As mentioned before, you have 3 options. We have 240 power, which is the plug button here, gas, which is this symbol here, and 12 volt, which is this battery symbol here. If you keep it on A for automatic, this means that your fridge will automatically pick the best power source for your refrigerator. We are currently plugged into 240 power, so 240 is the best power source to cool your refrigerator. If you are free camping, the next best power source is your gas. When we are traveling, the next best power source is going to be your batteries. Keep in mind that this will only connect to your batteries when your engine is running. This is why the fridge is flashing at us, because our engine is currently not running. So you will either need to charge your refrigerator and keep it nice and cool on gas or 240 power, but I recommend keeping it in A for automatic. From here, we've got our temperature. At the moment, we are at the max temperature, and you can adjust this by clicking the button here. When charging up your fridge, we recommend keeping it on the max temperature, and it can take a few hours for your fridge to get nice and cool. The next system that you have here, the next button that you've got here, is a defrosting button. So if you want to defrost your freezer after a nice big vacation, you can pop this on to help defrost the ice from your freezer. To turn off, all you need to do is hold this button down again, and that turns off your 3-way Thetford refrigerator. We do recommend some nice little handy tips. When you're storing your vehicle away, keeping these doors nice and open to help prevent mold, and placing in a cup of bicarb in both the freezer and the fridge section. When traveling, right down the bottom here, you've got a nice little lock. This will help your fridge if it accidentally does open up, and you can lock it this way as well. And this is your 3-way Thetford refrigerator.